If you're still designing everything manually in Figma, layer by layer, screen by screen, then this video is going to save you a lot of time. Because Figma AI is not just a small feature anymore. It can help you generate UI screens, rewrite copy, rename layers, create and edit images, remove background, expand photos, and even add interaction all inside Figma itself. And with tools like First Draft, you can turn a simple idea into editable wireframe or UI designs in just a few minutes. Figma Make takes it one step further by helping you build functional prototypes from a prompt. So instead of starting from a blank canvas every time, you can now go from idea to first design much faster. But here's the thing. Most people don't get good results because their prompts are too basic. And that's why in this video, I'll show you the proper workflow. We'll first use the ChatGPT to plan the app idea, then move into Figma AI to generate the first design, refine it with prompts, clean up the content and layers, work on images, add interactions, and finally use Figma Make to create a functional prototype. No fluff, just a very simple step-by-step walkthrough. So let's get started. Also, just a quick information. If you're looking to level up your design skills, check out the advanced certification in UI UX design with generative AI from IIIT Bangalore. Now, this course is perfect for anyone who are looking to break into the industry or advance their career in design. In this AI-powered UI UX design course, you will gain hands-on experience with 25 plus design tools including Figma, AR VR prototypes, generative AI tools, plus with 6 months of free Figma premium access to help you dive straight into your project. What's even better, you'll be working on 15 plus portfolio-ready projects that include AR, VR, XR prototypes, making you job-ready in no time. And with live interactive sessions and mentor-led support, you will get the guidance you need to succeed. And at the end of this course, you will have a certificate from IIIT Bangalore and an impressive portfolio to show off. Plus, you'll be learning how to use 10 plus generative AI-powered design tools to streamline your workflow. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and enroll now. The course link is mentioned below. Now, before we get started, here's a quick quiz question to test your understanding. What can Figma AI help you do inside Figma? Generate UI screens, rewrite copy and rename layers, edit images and remove backgrounds, or all of the above? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to log into your Figma account. So just click on the first link from here and just continue with Google. Select your account which you're using. So now as you can see, we have been logged into our Figma account here and this is the interface. On the left hand side, you can see the recents community. Now recent would basically show what all projects that you have worked on recently. You have created in designs, and then you have the draft, all projects, the resources, trash if you have deleted any projects recently. Now on the top right, we have design where you can just start from scratch manually, create frames, and then get started with your designs. So now in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Figma AI to create designs and not be using the same old manual step to create frames and designs from scratch. So let's click on Make from here. And now as you can see, it says what you want to make. You can just describe your idea from here and then you can select the model. Now we have clots on it 4.5, which is very efficient and balanced. You also have Gemini 3 Flash for fast and iterative projects if you want to create. You've got Gemini 3.1 Pro for deep creative research purposes. So from here, you have to just give a proper prompt on what all you want to create. Now here comes the most important step, that is how to prompt properly and how to give the prompt to ChatGPT. So we're using ChatGPT for the prompts and I'm telling ChatGPT to create a final polished Figma AI prompt for a mobile app called SimplyFlex and just describe a bit about your idea, what you actually want to create. Now, this is basically a beginner-friendly online learning app for tech courses, and it should include all of these skills like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, generative AI. And I want the prompt to be very clear, detailed, and ready to paste directly to Figma AI. And these are the points which needs to be included, which is app name, app concept, target users, app goal, and I want the main screen like splash screen, home screen, explore. If you do not want any particular section, you want to exclude that, you can also do it. And also for each screen, there should be some clear sections, headings, buttons. And I want the style to be very Netflix style UI with course cards, bold headings, rounded circle. And if you want to include any color format, you can also do that, what particular font size you want to include or the color. And that's it. We're just giving this prompt to AI and let's get the final prompt to give it to Figma AI. So now as you can see, it has thought for a few seconds and it has come up with some prompts. Now, here is the prompt. We can just copy it from here and it says create a modern premium mobile app UI UX design. So you can just copy the prompt from here. Now I'll just copy paste it from here, and you can see I have selected Cloth Sonnet 4.6 because this works good. And I've also mentioned that the visual style should be very dark Netflix style UI, and it should have a very clean typography, smooth spacing, and keep it very simple, modern, and not cluttered. And I've also included what all needs to be included here, like explore screen, what I want there to be included, home screen, splash screen, logo should be of Simpliflex. If needed, you can also attach your images and files from here. You can also attach a designs for reference to create. So for now, we have just pasted this prompt from here and we'll be just giving it to Figma AI. So now it has started thinking about it and it's building the idea first. Most people hear cloud certification and think. So you can see from here that it's working on 3 files from here. It's working on the reasoning, the theme and everything. And if you want to check out the code, you can just click on this code from here and you can see the components, the file, the JSON file it's creating. And if needed, you can also add changes from here if you want to have any changes in the code. Then you've got this component section, the source files, the guidelines which needs to be followed, font size, the CSS formatting, HTML, everything you're going to get it from here. So you can just have some changes in the code if you want to, or else you can just give a prompt to the AI to make this changes if needed, if you have any tweaks or changes to be done. So let's wait for a few minutes till Figma AI shows its magic. So now as you can see, it says now I'll build the fonts, update the theme tokens, and build the full app. So it will take a bit of more time. So let's wait for a few more minutes. All right, so you can see from here that our design is now ready, and it says the Simpliflex mobile app UI. This is the version 1 which it has created. And then here it says that you can paste a make link into design, FigJam or slides to embed your creation and play it right there on the canvas. So you can just copy the link from here, and let's first play it and see it in the full screen view. All right. So here is the thing. It also shows your charge level, Wi-Fi connectivity and everything. So let me first zoom out for you if you can see this from here. Now it says learn tech skills like watching a series, 500 plus courses, 2 million plus learners. And let's click on get started from here. Now, here you can see the UI, which is really amazing and the quality is really good. If I talk about the alignment also, it's really well structured. Like I do not have to give it multiple prompts to correct it. And you can see a profile from here. Then you can search for any courses. Just click on the search from here, and then you can just click on start learning. This is the continue learning section for you if you have not completed any courses, the trending courses and everything. You can just click on this course, and then you see the number, the rating of the course, 12 hours, 30 minutes, 48 lessons, the overview of the course, and you have the curriculum as well. You have all the syllabus. It is added very beautifully. And then to come on the next section, you have to first complete the previous courses. Then you've got the reviews as well, right? The reviews also. You can just click on start learning from here, and you can see the notes, right? You have the quiz section, you have resources. So I had given the prompt in a way that it had included most of the details to be covered, very in-depth details. So I do not have to give multiple prompts again and again. And that is how ChatGPT can help you write a very structured prompt. The prompt is very important to create your design. I mean, that's the 70% of the work to be done. You can also ask AI tutor from here to help support. And then you've got the next lesson as well. Just click on next lesson. And also like the design, which is very neon and dark theme design. It looks really amazing. Now, this is the My Learn section from here. 4 in progress. This is the streak days, weekly goal in progress, the saved courses. Then you have the completed courses from here. And next, we've also got the profile section. So you can see the profile. And these are the courses, levels, the certificates, and the settings. You can log out from here. And these are the courses which I've already showed you before, the explore section. You've got all different categories like machine learning, data science, DevOps, generative AI. So it's so beginner friendly, and even the font, just look at the quality. I'm really impressed. And then you have this home section. We have already seen this, the onboarding page, which says simply flex, and it has learn tech skills like watching a series. We had seen this before. And this is the splash screen, guys. So honestly, I am very impressed by the output of Figma AI, which it has given to me. I would definitely rate it 10 out of 10. Now you can also switch modes from here and see how it would look like in your phone. right? You can adjust it accordingly. This is the iPhone 16. You can select your phone from here and see how it would look like in your phone. So this is a preview section which we have seen from here. You can now publish it in your Figma AI. So let's suppose just click on publish from here, and you can just see your things getting ready, gathering all the layers, compiling the components and everything. All right. So it will take a bit of time to actually publish your project in the Figma. So you can just see it in the community, or you can just go to the web. So to see it in the community, we have repeat. So if I click on see it in the community, you'll be seeing it right here. So you can see your SimplyFlex mobile app UI. And if anybody wants to remix this, they can use it. You can preview it from here, and you can save it, like it. So this is how it's supposed to be done. And let's suppose I go back now. Can just share it with other people also. You can give the access to other person, copy the link. We have already copied the link, right? So from here, you can just see your file which we have recently done, and you can publish it. So from here, you can just see the file which is recently done, and it's also published here. Now, you can also create it from scratch, and for this, you need the current plan, which is around $12 per month for the developer, and for full, you need $16 per month, and for collab, it's around $3 per month. So to get started, you can just purchase the professional plan, and then from you'll be getting more credits, and you can get started. So guys, this is how Figma AI really works. There are other options also when you click on design. Yeah, also one more thing here which I wanted to show you guys. So let's suppose if you're creating from scratch any of your project, and this is my previous project which I had created before, you have this action option from here. Now what you can do is, if needed, you can also erase an object in the image. So let's suppose you search for AI, you've got all of these options to regenerate all instances, detach nested instances, and also to clear the components, make an image, expand the image, erase object and image, isolate object. So you do not need to do it manually. See the AI option, right? So these are all the AI integrated actions which you can take if you're doing it manually. You can have your layers also integrated using AI. You can have an object created, the image. If you need to change any content inside the design, you can do this using Figma AI. So that's it for this video. I hope now you have a clear understanding of how Figma AI actually works. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you have any doubts or questions, ask them in the comment section below. Our team of experts will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and keep learning with Simply Learn.